Good afternoon and welcome to Keep My Network. My name is Benedeke David Bundo II and I will be presenting on impulse and momentum. Our today's video is going to be strictly on the introduction of momentum. Our next video coming up will give the basic introduction on impulse. So today we will be dealing directly with momentum. So let us ask ourselves, what is momentum? What do we term as momentum? Let me ask this simple question. Have we ever wondered why when a car is speeding, we don't stop it with our hands? Now, we don't do that because those vehicles that are speeding have high momentum. This is the reason we are unable to stop them with our hands. So, based on the definition of momentum, we say momentum is defined as the product of the mass of the body in its velocity. And it can also be defined as a mass of a body in motion. And momentum is represented by the letter P. Now for the formula of momentum, it says P is equals to M times V. And P in this formula represents the momentum. The M in this formula represents the mass. V in the formula represents the velocity. So we will be going through a simple problem on impulse and momentum. We will be solving these sample problems. Beginning of question number 1. The question says a car of mass 400 kg is moving at a speed of 6 meters per second. What is the momentum of the car? So we first collect our data. For we know the formula of momentum that says P is equals to M times V. So we say what is momentum? P. What is the momentum is what we want to find. We say it's equals to question mark. And the mass M is equals to 400 kg. And then the velocity of the car V is equals to 6 meters per second. So the solution, we say from the formula P is equals to M times V. The P now is equals to, the mass is 400 kg multiplied by the velocity is 6 meters per second. So 400 times 6 is equals to 2,400. So we say 2,400 kg meter per second. This is the answer for our impulse. So we say the impulse of this car is 2,400 meters per second. Now, we can solve our next problem again. So we can get rid of this since we are not using it anymore. We say, for the second question, it says a ball of mass 6 kg has a momentum of 36 kg meter per second. What is the speed of the ball? At what speed the ball is moving? So we can collect our data again. Now, we have the mass is equals to 6 kg. And the momentum is given to us here. So our momentum P is equals to 36 kg meter per second. And then we are asked to find the velocity. V now is equals to question mark. So we can find our solution. We know that the formula says P is equals to mv. Now we can make V the subject here by dividing this side by M and dividing this side by M. So M will cancel M. And V now will be equals to P divided by M, which is also equals to, now we know the value of P, which is 36 kg meter per second divided by the mass is 6 kg. Now, kg is going to cancel kg, 6 into yourself one time, 6 into 36, 6 times. So we say our velocity here now is equals to 6 meters per second. So this is the speed at which this ball is moving. So there's a solution for question number 2, solution for question number 1. Now, question number 3. So we can find our solution for question number 3 here using the same formula, but then that generate our data. It says what is the mass? So now we are asked to find the mass. So our data, we say the mass is equals to question mark, and the speed of the ball is given to be 3 meters per second, and then the momentum of the ball is given to be 12 kg meter per second. So from our formula, we say momentum is equals to mass times velocity. Now, we want to find the mass, so we divide this side by the velocity, we divide this side by the velocity, and then V cancel V. So we will have the mass is equals to the momentum divided by the velocity, which is also equals to, what is our momentum? We say 12 kg meter per second divided by, what is the velocity? The velocity is 3 meter per second. So meter per second, cancel meter per second. 3 into yourself one time, 3 into here 4 times. So our mass we have now is equals to 4 kg. So this is the mass for this question. Now remember, momentum is dependent on both mass and that of velocity. This is why you always multiply mass and velocity to get a momentum. So thank you for